In a world bursting with dietary advice and fitness fads, distinguishing fact from fiction can feel like wrestling a greased pig at a county fair. Slippery, unpredictable, and often ending in confusion. Today, we're going to grab that pig by the ears and set the record straight on some of the most persistent health myths. Ready to dive into the truth and toss those misconceptions to the curb? Detox diets and products are everywhere, promising to purge your body of toxins and deliver wellness on a silver platter. But here's the kicker. Our bodies are already equipped with the ultimate detox machines, our liver and kidneys. Need more convincing? Scientific studies consistently show that commercial detox products offer no real benefits beyond what your body can naturally do. So save your money and trust your body's own cleansing crew. Carbohydrates have been villainized like the boogeyman under your fitness bed. However, not all carbs are created equal. While sugary snacks are a no-go, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are the carbs your body loves. Complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, unlike their simple counterparts that spike blood sugar levels. So before you banish all carbs, remember, they're not just good, they're necessary. If sweating buckets at the gym guaranteed weight loss, we'd all be wafer thin. The reality? While exercise is crucial, it's only part of the weight loss equation. Overlooking caloric intake can keep those pounds stubbornly in place. Moreover, your metabolism adjusts to levels of activity, which means not all workouts are created equal. A balanced approach combining cardiovascular, strength, and flexibility training holds the key to effective weight loss. Protein powders can be seen as the Hulk of the supplement world. But are they essential? Not always. Many of us can meet our protein needs through natural sources like meat, fish, legumes, and dairy. Supplements are just that, supplementary. They're useful when dietary intake falls short or for those with higher requirements. But for most, a well-rounded diet provides all the muscle-building blocks needed. The fear of fats has fed a myriad of misconceptions. Not all fats are foes. In fact, healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and fish are your allies, playing vital roles in everything from brain function to cell structure. Cutting out all fat can do more harm than good, depriving your body of essential nutrients. It's about choosing the right types, not cutting them out entirely. Spot reduction is a fitness fantasy. No matter how many crunches you do, you can't command your body to burn belly fat first. Fat loss occurs uniformly, dictated by genetics and overall body fat percentage. Instead of chasing spot reduction, aim for overall body fitness through a mix of aerobic and strength exercises. That's the real secret to a toned physique. The myth that vegetarians scramble for protein like a squirrel for nuts is outdated. Vegetarian diets can be rich in protein, with sources ranging from lentils and chickpeas to quinoa and tofu. Plant-based proteins can meet, if not exceed, your dietary needs when properly planned. Plus, they come with added benefits of fiber and antioxidants. Talk about a nutritional jackpot. The clock strikes midnight and your metabolism turns into a pumpkin, right? Wrong. Weight gain is about what and how much you eat, not when. Nighttime eating has a bad rap, primarily because of poor food choices and overeating. If you choose healthy, moderate portions, the time of your meal won't weigh you down. It's the quality of the calories that counts, not the hour on the clock. Gluten-free is the diet du jour, but is it for everyone? Unless you have celiac disease or a gluten sensitivity, ditching gluten isn't necessary and won't bolster your health. For most people, whole grains, which contain gluten, are a valuable source of nutrients. Unless medically advised, skipping them could mean missing out on beneficial fiber and vitamins. Superfoods surely wear capes in the marketing world, hailed as the heroes of health. But let's ground this. While foods like berries, kale, and nuts are nutrient-dense, no single food holds the key to good health. Diversity in diet is the real superpower. A balanced plate is more beneficial than obsessing over a handful of hyped foods. We're often told to guzzle water like there's no tomorrow, but more isn't always better. While staying hydrated is essential, the body has its sophisticated system to signal thirst. Overhydration can be just as harmful as dehydration, disrupting vital mineral balances in your body. Listen to your body. It knows when it's time for a refill. High-intensity workouts have their place, but they aren't the only way to stay fit. Incorporating moderate activities like walking, yoga, or even gardening can significantly benefit your health. Consistency is key in fitness, and sometimes slower, steadier options are what your body needs. It's about moving more, not just moving fast. Intermittent fasting has stormed the health scene, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. While it can offer benefits like improved metabolic health, it's not suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain health conditions or dietary needs. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any fasting regime to ensure it complements your health rather than complicates it. We've tackled some hefty myths today, and hopefully you're feeling more empowered to navigate your health journey with facts, not fiction. Remember, there's no universal solution to nutrition and fitness. It's about finding what works for you. Don't forget to check out our recommended health products in the description below. And if you enjoyed busting these myths with us, give us a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Here's to your health, myth-free and motivated.